In this video, we are going to learn about research problem. Research problem refers to issue or question that a business wants to investigate through systematic inquiry in order to gather relevant information and insights that will help inform decision making. To define a business research problem, you need to identify a specific issue that the business wants to address and then develop a clear and concise statement that describes the problem and its significance. Here we can see some examples that how to define a business research problem. For example, a manufacturing company is experiencing declining sales and wants to find why. So in the first step, we need to identify the problem, and the problem is decreasing sales, we can see. Then in step 2, we need to state the research question, which could be what factors are contributing to the decrease in sales. The third step is explain the significance of research question, and that is identifying the factors contributing to decreasing sales will help the company development strategies to serve the trend and increase revenue. And the last one is formulate the research problem statement, which could be the research problem for the study is to investigate the factor contributing to decreasing sales at manufacturing company and provide recommendation to reverse the trend. In the next slide, we are going to learn about the research question. A research question is clear, concise, and focused question that defines the scope and purpose of research study. In this central question that a research project seeks to answer. A research question is formulated based on the problem or issue that the research aims to investigate, and it guides to entire research process from design of the study, of the analysis of the data, and interpretation of the findings. In the next slide, we can see an example of research question, which is a retailer company wants to improve customer satisfaction. So the first one is we need to identify the issue, which could be the issues are low customer satisfaction rates and need to improve them. Then the second one is develop a research question. From this example, we can develop two questions, which are what are the factors that contribute to low customer satisfaction rate? Then how do customers perceive the company products and services? And what changes can be made to improve customer satisfaction? And in step 3, we can explain the significance of the research question, which is answering the research question will help the company understand the reasons for low customer satisfaction rates and identify specific areas where improvements can made to increase customer satisfaction. And the step 4 is formulate the research problem statement, which is the research problem for this study is to investigate the factors contributing to low customer satisfaction rates at retailing company and provide recommendation for improvements. From these two topics, research problem and question, we can see some differences between them, which I am going to share now. So in this slide, we are going to learn about the key differences between research problem and research questions. Research problem and research questions both are important aspects of conducting research, but there are several different purposes and have distinct characteristics. A research problem is a broad area of inquiry that requires the investigation and can be identified through gaps in knowledge, practical problem, or theoretical debates. It provides the overall direction for research and identifies the scope of the study. A research problem is often described as a statement or a question that outlines the issue or challenges on the research aims to address. And on the other hand, a research question is specific question that the researcher aims to answer through the research process. It is a more focused and narrow inquiry that identify a necessary data and guide the analysis of the result. So in summary, we can say the main differences between the problems and research question, which are the research problems are broad while the research question are specific and focused. Research problems are used to identify overall direction and scope of the study, while research questions guides the research process and analysis of results. And the third one is research problems are often described as a statement or a question that outlines the issue or challenge that the research aims to address, while research questions are specific question that the researcher aims to answer.